Let's make my Christmas cake. This cake is like the whole Finnish Christmas packed in one. And instead of a cake, you can make muffins too. We'll add 1 3/4 sticks of room temperature butter and then 1 cup of brown sugar. Whisk them well, manually or with a machine. Then let's add 3 eggs, whisking well in between, adding them so that air goes to the dough, like that. 3 goes there, and keep that on for a while so that it becomes fluffy. Let's grease the bundt pan. I have a small pan, so I make also muffins here. Then let's mix the dry ingredients in another bowl. 1 teaspoon ground clove, also 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, then 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Well, it's a good idea not to leave lumps, so let's use a tool here. Half a teaspoon of allspice went there as well, so that's where the pepper comes. Pepparkaka in Swedish, piparkakku in Finnish. Spices are mixed with all-purpose flour. I have here 1 cup and 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. It's a good idea to check the dough when adding the flour, so you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons there. A bit of breadcrumbs to the pan, and then let's add gradually the flour and spices to the dough. Looking good already. Alright, and don't do that. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot that this needs cardamom. Oh my goodness, yeah, adding it now. 1.5 teaspoons of ground cardamom. And mixing. Yes, now we are ready. Or almost. It looked really like that it was a little bit too moist. I added a little bit of flour. Total 1 cup and 3 tablespoons. Then filling the pan about halfway, because this will grow in the oven. I'll put about, or will be a third of the dough to the muffin paper tins. These are actually very handy. I'm nowadays always doing some of the, oh, don't do that either, so always happens things when I'm trying to do a video. I often nowadays make part of the dough into muffins. Then the dough was so good that I forgot to take video of putting it to the oven. Bake the cake in 350 Fahrenheit, about 45 to 60 minutes depending on the size. The muffins will take about 20 minutes. And the icing sugar on top, that looks like fresh snow, reminds me of Finland. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Hyvää joulua ja onnellista uutta vuotta!